What's up? Wonders of London. You are with me, Rob, exploring from Tower Hill Station today. Let's go and take a look. It is indeed a rainy old day outside, so I haven't mind being on the tube this morning. And as you can see, it is all socially distanced and spaced down here. Once again, we're at Tower Hill Station. We're coming out the District line. That's the Green line this morning.
Customer information. Through this where the floor surfaces, including staircases.
Now, of course, when riding the London Underground at the moment, folks, you do have to have a face mask, and of course make sure you have your travel cards, passes, etc. Plus, at this station, expect a flight of stairs. Okay. Of course, these are the ticket barriers. So pop that like that. And then in theory, it should open, but this one's not. There we go. And then usually it has closer information, but here we are. Coming out on side to Fenchurch Street. Got a little coffee place. Tower Hill, and then of course you can see the Shard there in the background. Tallest building in London, and indeed tallest building in the UK. Around the back of the station looks like this, and you're also treated to a good old view of the Roman Wall, 2,000 years old. Remarkable piece of architecture that still stands. Used to, of course, run the circumference of the city. Thanks for checking out this video with us here at Wonders of London. Take care.